Hey everyone, too much hair fall and weak roots. This Ayurvedic Herbal Hair Mask is your rescue remedy. It nourishes the scalp, strengthens roots, and promotes new growth naturally. Ingredients and their benefits: fenugreek powder, rich in protein and nicotinic acid, helps reduce hair fall and support thick hair growth. Amla powder, a natural source of vitamin C, it strengthens follicles and boosts scalp health. Hibiscus powder add shine, control breakage, and promote growth. Yogurt conditions the scalp, soften hair, and tackle dandruff. Flaxseed gel loaded with omega 3 and antioxidants that hydrate hair, defines texture, and control frizz beautifully. How to make it? Take 1 tablespoon of each: fenugreek powder, amla powder, hibiscus powder. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh yogurt and 1 tablespoon of flaxseed gel. Mix into a thick creamy paste. Let it rest for 10 minutes so the herbs active. How to use? Apply on dry or damp hairs starting from the scalp. Massage gently with fingers. Coat the length and tip. Leave it on for 40 to 45 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and mild shampoo. Use weekly for stronger roots, reduce hair fall, softer, shinier, fuller hair. Ayurvedic power meets modern nourishment. Let your root grow stronger naturally. Thanks for watching.